Hello everyone, and welcome to YouTube tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how the mirror plane works in Gravity Sketch. To begin, we're going to open Settings, and then go to Sketching Aid, and turn on the mirror. You can see mirror is hidden right now, but your sketches will still be mirrored. The second option is Fixed. So no matter how much you zoom in or out, the mirror will stay in place. The third option is Auto Scale. So as you progress the sketch, the mirror will change in shape accordingly. Now let's see where mirror plane lives. If you turn on the world axis, you can see it's always on world axis. No matter where you are in the sketch, if you turn on the mirror plane, it will be always in the center of world axis. And you cannot change the mirror plane. You cannot change the direction, it will always be in the same direction. You cannot grab it and change the direction of it. Now let's see what happens with mirror when you have surfaces in edit mode. So if I go with this surface, turn it into edit mode, and you can see the mirror is on. So whatever I do on this side, it will be replicated on the other side. If I turn off the mirror, despite having mirror turned on in the global scene, I can still control the individual mirror plane on each surfaces. Now let's turn off the mirror on global scene. And if you go back to surface, you can still see it's mirrored on the other side because the mirror is on for this particular surface. If you press on this option, which is Bake Mirror, this will turn the other side into one surface, which means you can control every single point individually, and they will not be affecting either side. So yeah, this is how mirror plane works in Gravity Sketch. Thank you for watching. See you next time.